and in this video I'll be showing you how to download The Sims 4 for free on PC. Now this download contains the latest DLCs and everything included up to date, so let's go ahead and get started. So once you click the link in the description, it'll take you to my website. On my website, what you want to do is hit either the red download button, which is a mega download, or a green download button, which is a torrent download. Now I recommend torrent over mega now, since mega has a download cap of 5 gigabytes. So once you hit 5 gigabytes, your download speeds will be way slower. So for the sake of saving time, I'm going to use a torrent download. But if you guys aren't comfortable with torrents, you could go ahead and use mega. So I'm going to click the torrent download button here. And once it's clicked, it'll tell me to open torrent, uTorrent. So I go ahead and do that. And here, just click OK. And then while it's downloading, what I want to do is right click, go on bandwidth allocation and select high, so it'll download the fastest. Now if you don't have uTorrent, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And once a torrent is done, what you want to do is right click and click stop. Now close out of all these windows, and what you want to do now is hit your start button and enter into your downloads folder. Here's the game, so I'm going to drag it down to my desktop. Now I'm going to double click into the folders of the game and just select the setup. I'm going to enter inside the setup and I'm going to click OK. Then click next, next again, next, and install. And I'm going to wait for the game to install. Once it's done installing, you'll see that all of these boxes are ticked. These are DirectX and C++. Now if you don't have them, leave them ticked and click finish and have them install. I have all of these, so I'm going to untick all of them. And I'm going to hit finish once everything's done. Now you'll see this window open. It's checking all the game files, so make sure you leave it open, and once it's done, it'll show, and just X out of it. Now you'll notice two icons to the game. There's a X64 and a normal one. I have a 64-bit system, so I'm going to go ahead and delete the other one. But if you guys do not have a 64-bit system, just go ahead and use the one and delete the one that says 64. So I'm going to delete that one. And I'm going to enter in this one, but before I do that, I'm going to click on Properties, Compatibility, and make sure that Run Program as Admin is checked. I'm going to click Apply and click OK. You guys go ahead and do that as well. So now I could run the game, so I'm going to double click into it, and I'm just going to wait for it to load. Alright, so I'm going to click on New Game, and here's my character. It's already set up, so I'm going to go ahead and click that check mark and select a place to live. And there you go. It's as easy as that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please request any more you want down below. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more free games and tutorials. And this is Ben from the Bay, and I'll see you next time.